What's the meaning of copula? Copula. Copula.
Copula. Copula. In linguistics, copula is a verb that links the subject of a sentence to its predicate, which may be either a noun, adjective, or other complement. Copulas are sometimes referred to as linking verbs. In English, the most commonly used copula is to be, as in I am happy. Other examples of copulas include seem, become, and appear. The function of a copula is to establish a relationship between the subject and the predicate, indicating things like identity, state, or attribution.